Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most realistic and immersive visual experiences. Today, we're taking you into a garage where a skilled mechanic is hard at work on a 500cc two-stroke dirt bike. The garage is dimly lit, with tools scattered on the concrete floor and a dusty dirt bike sitting on a stand, its old motor half removed. The mechanic, in grease-stained gloves, inspects the engine mount bolts. What makes this scene so captivating is the photorealistic style, ultra-detailed textures, and cinematic lighting that brings it to life. We've poured our hearts and souls into creating this immersive experience, and we hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing visual experiences. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey into the heart of a garage where a skilled mechanic is hard at work. The garage is dimly lit, tools scattered on the concrete floor, creating a sense of authenticity. A dusty 500cc two-stroke dirt bike sits on a stand, its old motor half removed. The mechanic, in grease-stained gloves, inspects the engine mount bolts. We've captured this scene in our signature photorealistic style, with ultra-detailed textures and cinematic lighting, ensuring that every bolt, every tool, and every detail is brought to life. So let's dive into this scene and see how this mechanic is keeping this vintage dirt bike running like a dream. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting garage adventures. Until next time, keep those engines running. Hey there, fellow gearheads! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of mechanics and automotive engineering. Today, we're taking a closer look at a 500cc two-stroke dirt bike, a classic piece of machinery that's been around for decades. Our mechanic, clad in grease-stained gloves, is hard at work inspecting the engine mount bolts. The garage is dimly lit, with tools scattered on the concrete floor, creating a sense of authenticity. The bike itself, with its dusty appearance and half-removed motor, is a testament to the grit and determination of our mechanic. The photorealistic style, ultra-detailed textures, and cinematic lighting bring this scene to life, transporting us into the heart of the garage. So let's get our hands dirty and dive into the world of mechanics, where passion and precision come together to create amazing machines. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting automotive adventures. Until next time, keep those engines running!